Hello and welcome back to my channel and to a new video. And today I am, well, it's not just today actually, for the next couple of days I'm going to be cleaning this house and getting it spick and span ready for putting up our Christmas decorations. So it's currently the last weekend in November. I had intended to put the Christmas decorations up this weekend, but there's just no time, and I've still got all of our autumn stuff up, so I need to get rid of that first. So I'm going to clean the house this weekend and just tidy up, get rid of all the autumn stuff, put all the little pumpkins away, and then over the next week, a little bit each day, I'm going to start getting the Christmas stuff out, which will be very exciting. So next week's video will be our Christmas house tour. So yeah, today in fact I say today, it's currently 4:15 on a Saturday afternoon. I have been super busy all day. I mean, not necessarily busy doing horrible stuff. I've actually just had lunch with a friend, which is really nice, and now I need to just blitz this place. So I can't do the whole house today because well, there just isn't time to do everything. So I'm going to just concentrate on the upstairs today, or tonight. So I'm going to do the 3 bedrooms, these 2 bedrooms, mine and Andrew's bedroom and Phoebe's bedroom. I'll do a little bit in Archie's. He generally does his own, so I'm not going to get too involved in there. The 2 bathrooms, our 4th bedroom is not a bedroom, it's a store for Lego, so I don't have to worry about that one. Just shut the door on that one. So I'm going to do that, and I might give the lounge a bit of a once over, take down the autumn stuff and things like that. Doesn't need a huge amount of cleaning. And then tomorrow night, so I'm busy all day tomorrow, we should be back about 3ish. So when I get back tomorrow, I'm going to do the kitchen, the playroom, which is just awful, and I'll show you a picture before and after so you'll see it, but it's just a huge dumping ground, so it desperately needs doing, and my office, which isn't too bad but still needs a good clean, and the hallway. So yeah, I need to crack on. So I'm going to start in here. It's not too bad. I'm not going to do bedding today because when I put the Christmas decorations up this week, I'm going to change the bedding, so I'm going to do that during the week. So the bedding is fine just for the next couple of days. Same with Phoebe, so when I do Christmas, I'll put all the Christmas bedding and stuff on. So what we've got on now we'll do for the next couple of days, but everywhere needs to tidy, clothes need putting away, bathrooms desperately need cleaning, and Phoebe's room has clothes all over the floor, even though I asked her to tidy it, and she did, to be fair, tidy it, but she is incapable of taking clothes off and putting them away. They just get taken off and dumped on the floor. So I'm going to give that room a bit of a blitz as well. So I think less talking and more action is probably needed. So let's make this place look a bit better than it does.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. Friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. Alright, now this Christmas we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. All night long we're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me, decorating the tree. From this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end. And somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me, decorating.
Right, oh look at the state of me. It is now 5:45, and so I've been doing it an hour and a half, and I've done everywhere upstairs. I did more than I had planned in Archie's bedroom, but I kind of felt guilty that I'd done Phoebe's and not his. He is perfectly capable, they're both perfectly capable of doing their own, but not to my standard. So yeah, I've done all up here, so really pleased with that. I'm just going to quickly hoover the stairs and the landing downstairs, which is a bit difficult to film because it's not very big. So I'm just going to do that, and then tomorrow I will do everything else. So I'm going to say goodnight for now, and the next time you will see me, it will be the next day. Hello, it is now, oh gosh, that light's bright. It is now Sunday, and it is 25 to 4. It is just starting to get dark, and it's also just starting to snow. And yeah, we've been out in Swindon all day and just got back, and now I need to start cracking on with the rest of this cleaning. Otherwise this house is never going to be in a state to put up any Christmas decorations this week. So yeah, I'll just show you the state of the playroom. It's not a good look. So, oh, this doesn't look too bad, does it? Oh yes, but you come around here and oh, this side is just loaded up with junk, and then oh, there's bits down there, there's all sorts of stuff in there, and then oh, look at the sofa, it's just, this is all the stuff from my haul at the other day. Junk. It's not, well, it's not junk, it's good stuff, but it needs putting away. All sorts of stuff. This is Phoebe's LOL house, which I'm trying to sell. I've just dropped the price, put it on Facebook Marketplace. Nobody seems to want it, which is a right pain. I've got a load of LOLs to go with it as well. She doesn't want them anymore, and I really want rid of it because I want the Christmas tree to go here. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I might just give it away. If anyone wants an LOL house and come and collect it from Northampton in the next couple of days, then let me know. But yeah, so that's got to be done. And that, I mean, that's all Lego. There's not much I can do about any of that. But yeah, all of this needs to be sorted. So this, sorry, it's a very odd lighting because, there we go, because it's just getting dark. So yeah, I'm going to start in here because this is the biggest job. So I'm going to start in here and get all of this cleared, cleaned, tidied, put everything away, and then move on to the next room.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on
out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day.
It is now 5:30 and I think I'm going to call it a day. Everywhere looks much better. Well, not everywhere. Most places look much better than they did before. It is proper snowing outside, so it's feeling quite festive, although we've still got birthday decorations up. So I've taken all of the autumn stuff down, boxed up. That now needs to go up in the attic, and everywhere looks a bit bare, but it's all ready for the Christmas stuff to start, and I'm going to start doing that tomorrow in the evenings. I'm just going to do a couple of bits each day over the next week, and then I will film like a house tour, Christmas house tour next weekend when I'm all done. The only bit that doesn't look so good is this bit here. So this is our middle landing. So all of these are the autumn cushions that need to go into this cupboard here, but I can't get into that cupboard because all of this is our Christmas decorations. So they're all going to be there for this week while we're putting stuff up. That's the boxes of autumn stuff, so I'm going to leave those there. They can go up when all of the empty Christmas boxes go up, as soon as this is all done. And around this side I've got some big balloons here. I don't know what to do with them. I'm going to try and get rid of those into Phoebe's bedroom, and the big Christmas tree is there. That's hiding behind there, so we can just pretend that's not here, because when I'm sitting here it all looks nice and tidy. But everywhere else downstairs is nice and clean and tidy, and the bedrooms all look great. So I'm done, and now I've got to go and cook some dinner, and then the ironing, and then I might get to sit down before I go to bed and we start a whole new week. Anyway, so I hope you have enjoyed this sort of clean, tidy, get ready for Christmas with me. I'm sure most of you have probably already got up your decorations. I know loads of people were doing it this weekend. I would love to have done it this weekend, but I needed to just do all of this first, because I can't see where things are going to go until all of the autumn stuff is gone and everywhere's clean and tidy and a bit more bare, I suppose. But now it's all, I've got a clean slate, so I can start afresh this week and put up those decks, which will be lovely, and it'll be nice to feel kind of festive. So I hope you're having a good week. Leave me a nice comment down below if you've got this far in the video, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go out.